Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another Roblox Piggy character. This time it's gonna be Bacon, or is it pronounced Bacon? I'm not really sure, but here's my full pencil sketch, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and here's my sketch underneath. And to begin, we're gonna draw in just his eyes first. So it's just gonna be 2 circles. And then come across, draw another one. And then from there, we're gonna draw in his mouth. So just right in the middle right here, just come down. Kind of draw like a little sad face going this way. And then from the ends right here, we'll just go up toward the eyes. It's kind of got a very creepy looking mouth. Okay, so that's gonna be the top of his lip. And then for the bottom, we'll just come back down, just kind of round it out. And then let's just go ahead and finish up the mouth. We can add in some teeth. Nice and creepy. Alright, and then from here we'll finish up the side of the face right here. Just come out from the eye. We'll just draw 2 straight lines like this first. It's almost like a little straight little bracket. And then from the bottom right here, we'll round it out. So right underneath the mouth right here, let's close it off flat. Okay, so now we're gonna draw in his hair. So right above the eye right here, just come up. And we're gonna draw this one big strand right in the middle. Curve down, just come across. And then go up, all the way up here. Close that off, so that's gonna be one big strand. Now let's just go ahead and finish up the face right here. We just curve this, close that off. And the same thing here, we're gonna come across. Just close that off. Alright, and then now for the rest of the hair, we'll just go up a little bit more. And then we're gonna curve all the way around to the side. Okay, so right around here, and then let's just go ahead and close it off. I'm gonna add a little step in here. And then from this little step, just extend the line up. So it looks like we're drawing different strands. Okay, and then same thing here, all the way up here. Let's curve around. And then we'll just close this off. And we can add in some strands right here. Just a couple of lines. Maybe even one up here. Just kind of connect to this. Okay, so that's the head, and then now for his body. His body's pretty simple. It just looks a little bit more muscular than the other characters. So I'm gonna start right here. This is gonna be a shoulder. Okay, and then come down. This is gonna be his armpit. Make 2 little dots, and then we're gonna taper it in. So it's really strong up top. Close it off. This is gonna be his waist or his hip. Okay, so now in the middle right here, it's gonna be his shirt collar. And then go back to this point, and we're gonna go all the way down. So that's gonna give us his jacket. Okay, and then now for his arm. So it's really buff right here. Go all the way down right here, shoulders. So again, here's his armpit. Now I'm gonna draw a little bump here for his bicep. Okay, so this is his elbow. Bracket. Okay, so I'm gonna finish up this arm first because this one's gonna be holding his knife here. So again, here's his elbow. Just kind of round it out. And then for his fist right here, it's one little hook. Here's the back of the fist. And then just curve it. Just tuck it right underneath the thumb right there. And let's add one line here. Okay, so now for the other hand, is the lower arm is pretty much the same as this. So let's just kind of round it out. We're gonna start on this side. This is gonna be his thumb right here. Just come down. It's one little hook. And then from this point, his other fingers just curve all the way around. And then again, tuck it right behind the thumb. And then whatever space you have here, just come down, close it off. So that's gonna give us his little grip there. And now for the blade, I'm gonna start on the end right here. Let's draw a little bracket, a little rectangle. So that's gonna be the handle. And then we're gonna continue with this line here. From here, come down. And then we're gonna round this out to finish up the blade. And we'll add one line here, another curve. So that's pretty much it for the blade. And then now to finish up the arm right here, same thing, just one little detail. Okay, so that's the upper body. And then now for the legs, very skinny legs. So right in the middle right here. Come back up here, almost straight down. So this is gonna be his knee. And then from the inside here, just kind of pinch it in. And then for the lower leg, we'll just flare this out slightly and then we'll pinch it back in. Just close that off. So just flare out. Pinch it back in. And then now for his shoes, really simple. We'll start on the inside. Just draw one little line coming down. And then on this side, we'll come out. Just kind of curve down and then close it off. And we'll add one little detail from the middle. Just one curve going up. Okay, same thing here. Come straight down and then just come out. Come down and then close off the bottom. And same detail here, right about the middle. Just draw one curve going up. And that is it for this Bakon. Hope you guys like the way it turned out. And if you do, please do give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. And I will see you next time.